Okay, this was unexpected.
Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Belmont County and East Central Ohio, Marshall County in northern West Virginia, Ohio County in northern West Virginia, until 9:30 p.m. At 7:39 p.m., hazard, flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source, Emergency Management reported.
PVZ. What the hell?
Small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Wheeling, Martins Ferry, Bel Air, Warwood, Bethlehem, West Liberty, Philadelphia, Clearview, Valley Grove, Shadyside, McMicken, Bridgeport, Venwood, Yorkville, Brookside, Neves, Elm Grove, Sheridan, and Clinton. Street flooding reported in Martins Ferry. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.